Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. We are here at Laserdome, located in Manheim, Pennsylvania. Okay, here's another little confession about me. I'm not a big arcade person. I do have fun, I just don't go out of my way to go to arcades. With that being said, my husband and kids absolutely love arcades. And we actually were able to go here because a relative was having his birthday party here. I really did have a good time playing all the games. I do enjoy skee-ball. That is one I really like and always have at the arcade, skee-ball. You can have a group walk in, however, if they are full, you might have to wait. So they do recommend making reservations in advance. And the most exciting part of Laserdome, of course, is the laser tag. Now, my kids got to play it twice, and my older son could have played laser tag the entire time if he could. On Mondays, they are open for holidays. Tuesday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Friday, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Saturday, 11 a.m. to midnight. And Sunday, 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. They have passes ranging from $14.99 to $59.99 based on the time of this recording. Now, party package pricing will be different, so be sure to check that out if you're interested in having a party there. If you're visiting Lancaster, you may or may not know that lots of things are closed on Sundays. And since Laserdome is not, it's a perfect thing to do and plan for a Sunday afternoon. Now, since we were there with a birthday party, we had a card with unlimited games. But if you aren't there with a party with that card with unlimited games, you will earn tickets. And they do have a little prize store to redeem different things for the tickets you earned. In just a moment, you'll actually see a sampling of the laser tag here at Laserdome. They do have snacks and drinks to purchase. They were out of pizza unless you had a party there. I have no idea if that's typical for a Saturday. Upstairs is their party area, and they have different tables set out, and you can reserve those tables for your party. I did look up on their website what's included in the party options, and I was actually pretty impressed. You do get a lot for the money there. They do have restrooms located upstairs, and they do have restrooms downstairs. So there's no reason that you have to either go up and down, other than to go down and keep playing some games.
Terminated, you may need to return to your base to recharge. Finally.
Come on, red team. Let's learn a couple things here, guys, before we start the game, okay? See? Okay. So this is your home base. You have another one at the other side of this. I need to return to base.
I'd love to hear from you. Please leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please take a few seconds and make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video.